Y'all, you can't forget your dogs. Some weddings have the dogs in them, right? So this is gonna be backwards. It says dog of honor. Dog of honor there. So your bandana here, you know, I messed that up right there. You can just take a little bow. I don't know, some people put it up here, some put it down here. I'm gonna do it right here. So if you have your dog, again, I'm using this. If you have your dog in the wedding, you can't forget him. I mean, you can't forget the dog. You can always bling up. Oh, and a collar. A collar would be beautiful blinged up, y'all. A collar. And use this bling wrap. So don't forget your doggies. Totally Dazzled would be awesome for your dogs.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.